My friend.
Good afternoon. Hello, you okay? Good afternoon from nice warm day, nice warm Sunday afternoon in Mzuzu, Malawi, and I'm gonna make a video today. Gonna head over to an area where I was warned not to go to. It's Sunday, so everyone's off today, nobody's working, so it could be quite busy. Could be quite a few bars over there, could be quite a few drunk, leery people, but it's also supposed to be a bit dodgy. So let's go and have a look. Let's go and see how dangerous it is. So I'm expecting, if it is busy, there are a few drunk people. People are a bit leery. People tell me to stop filming. That's what it's like here. They don't like being filmed. But anyway, we'll give it a try. So behind me is Voice of Livingstonia radio station. Livingstonia, the name is used in a lot of places around Malawi. It's one of the missionaries from Scotland that came to Malawi, and they established missionaries around Malawi and different parts of Africa. But yeah, that's the radio station, the Voice of Livingstonia. So already we've got people shouting on bicycles to stop filming, but I wasn't actually filming them. The thing is, we have to cut across town to get to where we want to go, so it's a bit of a trek. See, everything on there is hand painted, all those advertisements. So we've just managed to cut across the little town. It's not so busy today, it's Sunday. And you can see out in front of us, we're going down into a valley, and you can see the mountains in front of us. And we're just going down on this main road. There's a busy road down here. In front of us is the airport, and down here is the area what's known as Big Five. It's supposed to be quite dangerous. As I said, I was warned not to go there when I first arrived in Mzuzu. Let's go and have a look, see how it is. So it looks like somebody set a tyre on fire over here. Actually, I'm going to go around the right hand side because the smoke is just blowing across the road. But look at that. Burning tyres. Look at this is just rancid here. There's the bridge. Hey. So we're getting pretty close now to dangerous area. Oops. Again, it looks like someone's making ash for the toilet. They're all shouting as I walk past. Oh, the foreigner's got his camera out. Foreigners filming. Anyway, we're getting pretty close to Big Five. So, God, there's a lot of smoke. Look at all that smoke there. Wow. So you can see the black smoke behind me from that tyre. Wow, so much. It's just filling the sky. Anyway, there's a little shortcut down here. Little shortcut to where we want to go, down to the Big Five. Place making tombstones. Hey, all right, not run out of petrol, have you? Need some petrol. So there's an event going on here, and everyone's getting a free look. You're getting a free look. You don't seem to get any phone signal down here either, so if something happened to you down here, you can't call anybody on the telephone.
Hello.
Are you okay? Is it this way to Big Five?
Yeah.
Big Five. Why is it called Big Five?
It's a bar.
Oh, there are 5 bars?
No, it's
one bar.
It's popular. That's why.
And the name is Big Five.
Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah,
not
at night.
At night time?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're entering into the neighbourhood now. And the neighbourhood, the name of the neighbourhood is Big Five.
Oh, this place.
What do you call this place?
Chiwanja.
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 Yeah.
Chiwanja.
Chiwanja.
So it's not Big Five, it's Chiwanja.
Yeah.
Big Five is the name of the bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Somewhere there.
Oh, this is Big Five here. Okay. So this is the Big Five bar here,
Yeah.
and I shouldn't come here at night time.
Why?
You said it's dangerous.
Yeah, actually very dangerous.
Is safe or dangerous?
I don't see.
Not safe.
Yeah.
Where are you from? You're from here?
What?
Okay. Hi. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
My friend, how are you?
I'm okay. What's this?
Yeah. Where's the drink?
For the motorbike?
No,
No. For drinking?
I want to drink.
Oh, you want to drink it?
Yes.
Gin. Okay.
Yeah, my friend.
All right.
You are around?
I'm around. Okay. Yeah. Are you going down here?
No.
Oh, you're going.
For a friend.
You should go back.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's What's in here? Some interesting names. Grandson Barber, Arnold Newborn. I like that. Bit of Bob Marley. So I can imagine if you come at night time when everyone's had a few drinks, they get a bit leery, and when they see the foreigner, they get excited. MC bar. So there just seems to be a really high concentration of bars around here. There's a lot of bars for drinking. A lot of bars for drinking around here. Hi, okay? No, I'm okay, I'm okay. A lot of bars for drinking. One liquor station. Carlsberg, probably the best beer in the world. Bottle shop. A lot of bars. A lot of food places. Cooking chips at the side of the road. A lot of drinking going on. So I can imagine when it gets dark and people have had a few, it's probably not such a safe place. This guy's had one too many. Are you okay? Yeah. Sorry? Oh, sausages. Yeah. Guys got speakers on top of his car. Fires and smoke. They like to burn things on fire everywhere. So it's actually quite a small neighbourhood. Are you okay? It's actually quite a small neighbourhood. That was pretty much the centre of it there where we were, but I didn't want to go too much deeper without an escort. I was quite lucky that those guys just turned up. So we're almost at the main road again now. Are you okay? So that's it. That's a little tour of one of Malawi's most dangerous neighbourhoods. Don't go there at night time, that's all I have to say. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one.